So there's all this AI hype on generative artwork, but what if you just want to make simple, fast edits to your photos? Are you a photographer, an e-commerce business owner, or someone that just wants to make better quality photos? There are actually a lot of AI tools out there, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. So if you do want to know what these AI tools for photo editing are, stay tuned to this video until the end, and I'll give a brief explanation to each. And also make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, so you can continue to learn the building blocks for this age of AI. So we start off with Deep Nostalgia. It's a mobile app offered by MyHeritage, an online platform that allows people to obtain information about their family heritage via family trees and historical records. And Deep Nostalgia is really popular because it went viral online. Honestly, this is understandable because the AI tool itself is pretty cool because it animates family photos. So no matter how old it is, you can make a photo into a moving image, and you can bring your old timely family photos come to life by using the power of deep learning. Some of the key features is that it has a photo enhancer, which allows you to make blurry, low-resolution photos back into focus. And you can, you can also animate faces, so it allows sharpened photos to move with technology making it seem like these photos are actually alive. And then there is Topaz Labs. With over 40,000 reviews on Trustpilot at an average review of 4.5 stars, Topaz Labs is an AI tool that allows anybody to enhance their photos to the next level. From photo AI to video AI, the tool itself has over 1 million customers from the likes of Amazon, Disney, and Netflix, and is considered to be the gold standard in AI photo editing. This tool is marketed as being catered for professionals specifically because it has a high-end AI deep learning technology that does most of the heavy lifting. Key features here is that it has a sharpening feature that allows you to make any photo with extreme blur clear. It also enlarges and upscales photos up to 600% larger while still retaining quality, reduces any noise from photos with noise reduction, and improves the quality of face shots with face recovery. The next tool is Luminar, made by a company called Skyloom. Luminar Neo is an AI photo editing tool that markets itself as like the future of photography. It has an average score of 4.8 on Trustpilot and has plenty of rewards, such as being the Red Dot winner in 2022 for interface design. The tool is really recommended by photographers. It has editing features that can not only improve the quality of your photo, but it can also add effects that make your images stand out. Key features include AI generative capability that allows you to replace skies, sunshine effects, and enhance landscapes in portrait photos. And it also has a wider range of editing tools from erase, color, black and white, and much more. And you can also edit raw photos with ease and batch process for quick turnaround speeds. And then there's Removal.ai. It's a simple AI photo editing tool that allows users to easily remove the background on their photos so you can insert more engaging background. It's an awesome tool for not only photographers, but marketers as well. You can create a transparent background, and this allows you to customize said edited photo for presentations, graphics, and more. And it's really useful for product photos with people, animals, and anything else in between. Some key features is the main principal thing, which is background removal. And you can also add backgrounds with customized styles or color manipulation, as I mentioned earlier. And then they also have some API integrations as well. And then there's Let's Enhance. This is an AI tool that's perfect for image enhancement and upscaling. So whether it's color correction, resolution increase, or improving clarity, Let's Enhance does all of that with just a few clicks. Some key features include Upscaler, which allows you to enlarge photos to HD, 4K, and even 8K. It also has pixelation and blur photos that can modify the way your photo looks. There's Batch Editing, which allows you to upload and edit multiple photos together. Multiple one-click presets, making your photos ready for e-commerce. And an HDR filter, which allows you to fix white balance and saturation. Then there's Pixlr. This is an AI image and photo editing tool that brings AI to people who want to do everything with image and photo manipulation. This tool is free to use, whether it's from your phone or desktop, and has plenty of templates for you to get started. So some key features include erasing any backgrounds with their background removal tool. It can also bring groups of photos together with pre-made templates of collages. You can add filters and effects to photos, giving you that artistic edge. And they also have an AI image generator built in, which allows you to create images with ease within the tool. Then there's Lensa. Available on both App Store and Google Play, Lensa has made its mark on social media, with many of these people using the tool for this kind of all-in-one image editing app. From facial retouching to adjusting foreground or background, you can make your photo so much better with AI using this easy-to-use mobile app. Key features include magic correction, which retouches your images with a single tap, retouch specific aspects of your face, eyebrows, whiten your teeth, make your lip color better, and you can make your face stand out by blurring the background as well. And there's a whole large set of filters that you can add to enhance the effects of your photos. And so for anybody who wants to make high quality product photographs for their e-commerce store, or even just marketing content, DoMyShoot is another AI photo editing app that does exactly that. It's mainly catered towards e-commerce businesses, but this mobile app has worked with several large brands, with apparently 25,000 brands vouching for them. Some key features include their intelligent AI-powered camera that guides shooters to capture amazing product photos in itself, so it's kind of guiding you. Their photo transformation feature helps you take a photo, and then via that app, you can upgrade the high quality. It's also integrated to different marketplaces and different e-commerce platforms to share product photos easily. And then there's also a huge library of backgrounds that are recommended to place over your photos. And then there's Photoeditor.ai. This is another AI photo editing tool that's free to use. It's a lot simpler than some of the ones that I've mentioned in this video, but it makes it great for anybody who wants to get started quickly. Some key features include the object removal, which allows you to highlight specific blemishes and get rid of them. You can do text removal to get rid of any text overlays or watermarks that exist on photos. You can also enhance your photo by getting rid of wrinkles and imperfections. And you can also download the results all in high quality resolution. And then there is Claid.ai, which is the last tool on this list. It's brought to you by Let's Enhance, another tool that I mentioned earlier. This AI tool is great for photo editing for marketers or e-commerce businesses that really want to enhance their photo editing process. With over 100 million photos edited using their platform, this tool is really great for enhancing lighting, quality, and overall look and feel of photos. Their key features include their background removal tool to help clean up the product photo, and then you can get a PNG so you can use it for other use cases. And then you can also stylize and customize the image itself by just inserting a product photo into a specific style background, and then it makes it appear as if your photo was taken in that photo shoot. And then based on brand color, you can also adjust your overall look and feel of the photo to fit your overall brand tone. Now, we all know these tools are awesome, but why do we need AI photo editing tools? Well, if you take a look at social media, everything is either images or videos, right? So as such, whether you're a content creator, just a photographer that wants to get your stuff out there, editing through photos can take a whole lot of time in your workflow. So this is where AI photo editing apps like these come in handy. In the past, you needed to have some grasp of Adobe Photoshop to remove backgrounds from photos, but with a lot of these AI tools, you can do all of that in a click of a button. Or perhaps you want to enhance the quality and resolution of your photo. A lot of these AI photo editing tools does exactly that. So whatever you're really looking to do, these tools that I mentioned have come a long way since their first release, and these days you can instantly edit batches of photos and convert them all into professional looking creative images that are almost identical to the quality of a professional photo shoot. So I hope that was helpful. If you want to leverage AI image generator tools together with these photo editing tools, this can create an awesome combination. So if you do want to know more about AI image generator tools out there, check out the next video. And I would really appreciate if you like this video. It really helps us out. And make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can join the journey on navigating this digital ocean of AI.